Would you buy this? Seriously, just look at it. We are standing in front of the all-new 2027 BMW iX3. And this isn't just another facelift. This is the Neue Klasse. This is the future. Let's start with the face. BMW is known for those kidney grills, but here, they've evolved. It's wide, horizontal, and if you look closely, it actually glows. It's the iconic glow lighting, and it makes the car look like it's breathing. Notice the lines? They've gone for this ultra-clean, minimalist monolithic design. Everything is smooth. Even the door handles, well, you can barely see them. They're flush and automatic. As I walk up with my phone in my pocket, they just pop out to greet me. Moving to the back, these rear lights are etched right into the body. No chrome, no fake exhaust tips, obviously, just pure, sleek tech. I mean, BMW says it has a range of up to 800 kilometers. 800? I think my bladder would give up before the battery does. Now for the magic trick. Check out the tow hook. One click on the screen and boom, it swings out automatically. Finish towing? Another click and it hides away completely. No more greasy hands or ugly metal sticking out. While we're back here, look at this trunk. You get 520 liters of space, which is plenty, but fold those seats down and it opens up to a massive 1,750 liters. It's basically a van at that point. And don't forget the frunk under the hood. Another 58 liters just for your charging cables, or your groceries. Ready to see where the real Neue Klasse tech lives? Let's jump inside. Now, first thing you'll notice, if you try to roll the window down, it doesn't actually go all the way into the door. It stops a bit early. But honestly, unless you're planning on leaning halfway out the car to yell at someone, it's totally okay. Look at these materials. No old school leather here. BMW is using this eco-near textile made from recycled PET bottles and even old fishing nets. It feels way more premium than it sounds, trust me. And space? Since this is a dedicated EV platform, the floor is completely flat. No transmission tunnel hump in the middle, so you can actually fit 3 human beings back here without a fight. You've got your own climate zone controls right here in the center, and even physical buttons for the heated seats. But the real showstopper is up there, this massive panoramic glass roof. They call it sky roof, and it stretches over almost the entire cabin. It doesn't open, which is why it's so quiet in here, but it has this special coating that blocks 100% of UV rays. It's like sitting in a high-tech greenhouse, but without the heat. Okay, now we are in the driver's seat, and this? This is where it gets crazy. Check out this steering wheel. It's not round, it's not even a yoke. It's this squircular shape with a center spoke at the top. It feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. And the buttons? They call it Shy Tech. They stay dark until you actually need them, and then they glow under the surface with haptic feedback. It's so satisfying to click. Then look at the main screen. It's a 17.9-inch free-cut display. It's not just a rectangle. It's this sharp, angled parallelogram that looks like it's floating. It's tilted perfectly toward the driver. But the real party piece is this. Look at the bottom of the windshield. That black strip running from one side of the car to the other? That's BMW Panoramic Vision. It's a head-up display that spans the entire width of the dashboard. Your speed, your music, your navigation, it's all projected right into your field of view across the glass. It's like the whole windshield is a computer screen. Who needs a traditional instrument cluster when you have a 4-foot-wide hologram? Honestly, sitting here makes every other car interior feel like it's from the 90s. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Why buy this when you could get a Tesla Model Y or an Audi Q6 e-tron? Let's start with the Tesla. Look, the Model Y is the king of efficiency, and it's cheaper, we know that. But the BMW? It has a range of up to 805 kilometers. That's nearly 300 more than a long-range Tesla. Plus, inside here, it actually feels like a luxury car, not a minimalist doctor's office. No squeaks, no gaps, just solid German engineering. Then there's the Audi Q6 e-tron. It's a great car, sure, but it feels a bit safe? The iX3 has that heart of joy brain that makes it actually fun to throw into a corner. And that panoramic vision screen? Audi's dashboard feels like a calculator compared to this. And don't even get me started on the Porsche Macan Electric. It's faster, yeah, but it'll cost you almost double once you add the options. The iX3 is sitting in that sweet spot. It's charging at 400 kilowatts, which is insane, and it's more premium than the Tesla, but way more futuristic than the Audi. So, unless you really love the smell of vegan leather and no buttons, the BMW is making a very strong case for itself. Now, final verdict. Should you actually put your money down? Whoa, that is 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds. But honestly, it's not just the speed, it's the way it delivers it. No drama, no neck snap, just this endless, silent surge of power. We're driving the iX350 xDrive, and you can really feel that heart of joy super brain working. It's coordinating the motors, the braking, and the steering all in one central place. Most electric SUVs feel like they're fighting their own weight in the corners, but this? It feels light. It feels agile. Let's talk about this suspension. We're on some pretty rough asphalt right now, but inside, dead silence. BMW used these new frequency-selective dampers. It's like the car is pre-scanning the road and deleting the bumps before they reach your seat. My coffee hasn't even moved in the cup holder. It's almost annoying how smooth it is. Now, let's address the range anxiety killers. This car is built on an 800-volt architecture. That means if you find a high-power charger, you can add 300 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. You literally have enough time to buy a croissant and a double espresso, and the car is ready for another 4 hours of driving. How does it stack up against the competition? Well, let's be real. Against the Tesla Model Y, the Tesla is the tech bro choice. It's efficient, but the interior feels like a budget hotel compared to this. The iX3 is luxury first, tech second. Against the Audi Q6 e-tron, the Audi is solid, but it feels heavy. The iX3 feels like it's been to the gym. It's sharper, and that 400 kilowatt charging speed leaves the Audi in the dust. Against the Porsche Macan Electric. Okay, the Porsche is a better driver's car, but it'll cost you almost double once you start ticking the option boxes. The iX3 is sitting in that European sweet spot. But I have to ask you guys, look at this dashboard again. This panoramic vision strip across the windshield. Do you think this is the future, or is it just too much? I've been driving it for an hour and I'm already addicted to it, but I want to see your comments below. Now, the €1,000,000 question, or rather, the €70,000 question. In most EU markets, this 50 xDrive starts around €70,900. It's not cheap, but when you factor in that you're getting 800 kilometers of range, you're basically buying a car that you only have to charge once a week. Unless you drive from Berlin to Paris every day for lunch, in which case, maybe get a private jet? Bottom line, the 2027 iX3 isn't just a new BMW. It's a statement that the Neue Klasse is here to take the crown back. It's easy to drive, it's ridiculously smart, and, let's be honest, it actually looks cool in the rearview mirror. So, would you buy it? If this video helped you decide, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It helps the channel more than you know. And if you're new here, subscribe. I've got the new M5 review coming up next, and you do not want to miss that one. Thanks for riding along with me. Drop your thoughts on that heart of joy system in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Now, enjoy driving it.